We have a stray dog in our
Oh,
house.
he's beautiful.
What breed?
He's a brand name dog.
Oh no, he's gonna eat the trash.
Come here, buddy. Come here.
He's eating.
Buddy. Here, let's get you some M&Ms. Let's get you some M&Ms. Let's get you some M&Ms. Calm down, calm down. Oh, sorry. I didn't know if you were gonna bite me. Oh, he's starving. Look at him. Oh,
We should call somebody.
starving. Throw that away. Baby, get you some food. Oh, I'm so hungry. You have all this meat. I'll buy some more. Bye. No, pretty.
Yes, I know.
Come here, buddy. You can have the cat food too. Just calm down, calm down, calm down.
There's a stray dog in our house.
Look at all this food right here. I'm so hungry.
Yeah, if he bites the phone and break it, it's on you.
Go away.
Oh,
Yeah, I was sitting here though, and I kept hearing. I'm like, what is that?
what else is this supposed to be?
He's
A dog?
He's a basset hound.
You should.
They sound like that.
You should tell Dad.
There's nothing I can do, Blake. I'm not gonna
Just-
wake him up for a dog. Blake.
No, I mean,
In the morning I will.
yes, tell him though.
But I don't want to call anybody because he'll get taken to the pound.
And he could be killed.
If Daddy lets us have, I'll have him. He's a good dog.
Well, our cats are gonna hate it.
So what?
They're gonna puke.
He's a good dog.
How do you know? You've been with him
Because
for
he was
3
so friendly. And he has a collar. And he's a purebred.
Random video for the day, but that's pretty much what this channel is all about. If we see this dog again, if I can, ouch, it just got hit, stuck something on my foot. If we see this dog again, I'll make another video if I can. Bye.